August 2024. 24. Ito, ano to, 2023 o July 2023. Laki. Ilang inch yan?
Ito.
Ano? Ito, March 23, 2023.
I'm gonna open up my piggy bank. So guys, ibubuksan ko na to yung piggy bank. Piggy bank. Kasi malapit na kaya birthday ko. Na? August 27.
Pati si lola mo birthday na.
Di ganun mo. Hindi mo naman kaya yun.
I need some strong outfit.
Eh, ganun mo kasi. Kasi andyan yung butas. Hindi mo kailangan. Oh, ganun. Ganyan. Oh, may 1,000 ah. Ang dami na kaili ah. Ano sa tingin mo? Wow, may tagbebenta rin naman pala. May tagbebenta. Pag konti lang pa kaili ang ano.
Meron pa papel.
Meron pa papel. Ayusin mo.
Baka kumuha to ni mama ha. Ako nga nakukulit mo.
Kaya konti lang yan kasi binabawasan ni mama mo. Ano?
Malibang isa safe ko, tsaka pag-birthday ko, tsaka mag-birthday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 200, 2,000.
2,000? Oo, 2,000 yan?
So, ito. Bilangin mo, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 1,000, 1,000, 100, 1,000, 200, 1,000, 800. 800.
Yesterday, it's my birthday. I invited my friends to my birthday, and I am 8 years old. We have cake and big juice. And then when it starts to end, we go to the mall, SM Mall, and eat and brought pizza. And then when we go to the up floor, we go to the skating. I having fun and making friends. I have a lot of do. Sometimes I fall, sometimes I like it. And when it's ending, we go home.